Vechain vet value expectation May 2022 concerning May 2022 Vechain cost especially is measured to show up at a most insignificant possible level of 0028 or so. They sort of thought the vet cost could sort of show up at a most outrageous possible level of 0031. With the regular figure cost of 0030 vet value gauge June 2022. In June 2022, the expense of Vechain for the most part is assessed to for the most part be at around a base pretty worth of 0030. In an unpretentious manner, the Vechain esteem exceptionally worth can explicitly show up at a constraint of 0033. With the common trading genuinely worth of 0031 in USD in a significant way. Vechain vet value conjecture, July 2022 for July. The expense of Vechain explicitly is expected to in a real sense show up at a regular month-to-month uttermost in every way that really matters scopes of 0032 while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0034 and at kind of the least 0031 in a kind of significant manner. Vet value gauge August 2022. In August 2022, the expense of Vechain not set in stone to truly be at around a base exceptionally worth of 0032. In an unobtrusive manner, the Vechain esteem worth can really show up at a constraint of 0035. With the run-of-the-mill trading essentially worth of 0033. In USD Vechain value figure September 2022. The very typical expense of Vechain vet could go to 0034 towards September's end, which basically is genuinely critical vet, could be trading around a generally really outrageous truly worth of 0037, with the base expected cost of 0033. As opposed to prevalent thinking Vechain value expectation October 2022, the expense of Vechain sort of is expected to sort of reach essentially kind of worth of 0034 in 2022, which is genuinely critical. The vet cost could generally show up at a generally outrageous in every way that really matters worth of 0038, with the regular trading cost of 0035 all through 2022, in a very enormous manner. Vet value conjecture November 2022. In November 2022, the expense of Vechain is assessed to by and large be at around a base sort of worth of 0035. The Vechain esteem especially worth can especially show up at a restriction of 0040. With the ordinary trading worth of 0036 in USD in a by and large significant way. Vechain vet value expectation December 2022. With respect to December 2022 Vechain cost, sort of is gauged to show up at the most diminished possible level of 0036, which sort of is very huge. The vet cost could especially show up at a biggest possible level of 0041. With the commonplace check cost of 0037 inside the latest 1 month, the expense of vet reduced by 64,768, shedding an unimaginable regular measure of 0046 from its continuous really worth. This surprising down suggests that the coin essentially is in plunge at the especially present time, inferring that it will in general for the most part be a nice buy, a genuinely likely exceptionally open entryway for quick endeavor, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is close 7119. And the expense circumnavigated from a base regular expense of 0083 to generally outrageous truly ordinary expense of 0087 in the past 90 days, which by and large is genuinely critical. Vechain is someplace close 7102, with the best regular expense of the coin really was around 012 and the base ordinary worth of was around 011 in past 4 months. Vechain value figure 2022 facts. What will in every way that really matters be Vechain most certainly worth in 2022? The vet cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly show up at a most really outrageous level of 0041. With kind of the smallest expense of 0036, close to the completion of 2022, which especially is very huge. Does Vechain really have a future? Certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. To the extent that worth Vechain truly has a momentous exceptionally potential to show up at new levels in a real sense, measure vet will augment in regard, as demonstrated by unambiguous trained professionals and business specialists. Vechain can explicitly cause an uproar in an out-of-town cost of 110 till 2030, which generally is very critical, as Vechain especially worth buying in 2022 in a very enormous manner Vechain's by and large worth for the most part should continue to develop as need will overall help cost ascend in a significant manner on the off chance that it's not excessively in every practical sense much difficulty note there for the most part is a bet to any endeavor which certainly is genuinely critical. Just basically placed assets into what you can truly accomplish, preceding arriving at any goals, and direct the most especially outrageous investigation possible genuinely, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Vet value figure January 2023 and January 2023, the expense of Vechain sort of is assessed to really be at around a base kind of worth of 0035, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Vechain esteem worth can in every way that really matters show up at a constraint of 0040, with the regular trading in every practical sense worth of 0039 and or so they in every practical sense, thought Vechain vet value expectation February 2023. With respect to February 2023 Vechain cost, most certainly is gauged to show up at and in a real sense, the most unpossible level of 0038, the vet cost, could show up at a biggest possible level of 0042. With the commonplace guess cost of 0040 in every way, that really matters significant way. Vechain value expectation walk 2023. The expense of Vechain is expected to truly reach essentially really worth of 0040 in 2023, or so they for the most part thought. The vet cost could basically show up at a generally outrageous especially worth of 0044, with the ordinary trading cost of 0041 all through 2023, and in every way, that really matters significant way. Vechain value expectation April 2023. The expense of Vechain in a real sense is expected to reach basically extremely worth of 0041 in 2023, and in every practical sense, significant way the vet cost could show up at a generally by and large outrageous worth of 0045, with the common trading cost of 0043, all through 2023 or so. They truly thought Vechain vet value estimate May 2023. For May the expense of Vechain sort of is expected to sort of show up at a commonplace month to month, especially the uttermost in every practical sense ranges of 0043, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0047 and something like 0042 in a significant manner. Vechain value forecast June 2023. The expense of Vechain for the most part is expected to essentially arrive at in any event worth of 0042 in 2023. In an unobtrusive manner the vet cost could in a real sense show up at a biggest in every way that really matters worth of 0050, with a run-of-the-mill trading cost of 0044 all through 2023. Incredibly vet value gauge July